Welcome to this step-by-step guide on migrating your Squarespace site to WordPress in just a few minutes. We will start by showing you how to access WordPress and move seamlessly through each stage of the process, ensuring that your page and post content are transferred without any hiccups. Begin by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this button begins your journey into your WordPress account. After you have located the login area, proceed by clicking on the login option. This action will prompt you to sign in. To simplify the process, choose the option that allows you to continue with your existing Google account. Once you select this option, a list of your available Google accounts will be presented. Pick your preferred account to complete the login process, ensuring that you are signed into the account that you intend to use for your WordPress site. With your account now accessible, the next stage is to find the correct tools to import your content. To do this, navigate within your WordPress dashboard until you see the section labeled Tools. This section is specifically designed to help you manage various aspects of your website, including importing content from other platforms. When you reach this point, remember that this part of the process is crucial because it provides you with the interface that facilitates the migration process. Within the Tools section, look for the option labeled Import. This option is built into the WordPress dashboard to help site administrators bring in external content with ease. Click on the Import option to reveal a list of content import categories. In this list, you will find a choice specifically dedicated to Squarespace. Selecting this option is an important step because it signals to WordPress that you are moving content from a Squarespace domain. After you click on the Squarespace option, you will be provided with an interface that allows you to integrate your existing Squarespace content into WordPress. At this stage, you will need to locate the XML file that contains all of your page and post content previously exported from Squarespace. This file is essential because it holds the complete structure and content of your original website. Once you have found your file, simply drag and drop it into the designated area provided on the interface. Throughout this process, it is helpful to pay close attention to any on-screen instructions or tips provided within your WordPress dashboard, as they can offer clarity and direction. Taking your time with each step helps ensure that no detail is overlooked during your website migration. By following this guided process, you can transfer your content smoothly and set up your WordPress site efficiently. Enjoy your newly imported content and the ease of managing it within your WordPress environment.